to the Z oo tweedly disgusting.
You haven't heard me sing Diddly Ding yet. Dream on!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Whitefish City Police Department. At approximately 12:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, there have been reports of a suspicious individual murdering everybody they see in their path. Police have yet to identify the suspect. As a precaution, all residents are advised to lock all doors and windows immediately. If you see the suspect, dial 911 immediately. If the suspect breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means. Tune into your local station for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Whitefish City Police Department. At approximately 1:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the suspect was last seen leaving a local supermarket with blood covering his face, hands, and clothes. Police later entered to find everyone brutally murdered with their head cut off, but missing. In addition, the individual is still unknown at this time. The suspect was believed to be carrying 4 pocket knives, a crowbar, and 2 combat rifles. All residents listening to this message are advised to lock all of your doors, close all of your windows, turn off all electronic devices, and seek shelter now. If you see the suspect near your area, dial 911 immediately. Do not approach the suspect. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Whitefish City Police Department. Residents in the town of Whitefish, lock all of your doors immediately. The suspect was reported to be planting bombs on people's homes, vehicles, and buildings. This individual was reported to be roaming around Whitefish on a rampage. In addition, dozens of houses, vehicles, and buildings have exploded. Police have yet to confirm the fatalities. In addition, police have identified the suspect as 23-year-old Eric Wilson. Eric is a white male who was 5 foot tall and 10 inches, weighs 113 pounds, with brown hair and dark blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a black blazer, a white collared shirt, a black tie, fingerless gloves, black jeans, and black shoes. This man is considered armed and extremely dangerous. All attempts in taking this man down have failed. As a precaution, all Whitefish residents are strongly advised to stay in their homes and take shelter now. Traveling has been prohibited by the Whitefish City Police Department. Martial law may be required if the situation gets worse. If you see the suspect, dial 911 immediately. If you approach him, run as fast as you possibly can. More information will follow momentarily.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 2:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, police officials have now confirmed that 23-year-old Eric Wilson has now been reported breaking into any house he sees, abducting children, and killing them. Over 14 children have been confirmed dead with their heads cut off. The bodies were found in the suspect's white 2016 Honda Odyssey, license plate 309,954 Lucies. All residents listening to this message, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. If he knocks on your doors, do not answer it, and run to the nearest shelter as fast as you can. He will break into your homes, kill all your family members, and abduct your children. If you see the suspect, or the suspect's vehicle, dial 911 immediately. Do not approach the suspect as he is considered armed and extremely dangerous. Tune into your local station to provide news and updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 2:52 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, it has now been reported that 23-year-old Eric Wilson is now roaming around the entire state of Montana, killing everybody he sees in his path, abducting innocent civilians, and blowing up everything he sees nearby. In addition, it has been rumored that the suspect has planted explosions across the following counties or areas: Whitefish, Kalispell, and Columbia Falls. In addition, the suspect is reported to be heading towards Billings, Montana for a similar attack. All residents who are listening to this message are strongly advised to take shelter now. I repeat, take shelter now. Bring all of your family members, get non-perishable food, water, clothes, important supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Do not approach the suspect as he is considered armed and extremely dangerous. If you see this individual, dial 911 immediately. Martial law will now be handling the situation. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, there have been reports of 3 major explosions occurring across the following counties or areas: Whitefish, Kalispell, and Columbia Falls. As a result, many buildings, houses, vehicles, and innocent civilians were either destroyed or killed in the process of these explosions. Fatalities have yet to be confirmed. In addition, there is no confirmation that these explosions were caused by the suspect known as Eric Wilson. At this time, all residents who are in or near these areas of the blasts are extremely advised to seek a shelter or take cover now. I repeat, seek a shelter or take cover now. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that an attack against the United States has been detected, and that protective action should be taken. Do not go outside. If you go outside, you will be risking fatal injury or possibly death. Do not make any contact with anybody from the outside. If you see Eric Wilson or anybody with strange behavior, dial 911 immediately. If the suspect breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means. If you see the suspect anywhere near you or your area, run for your life and don't stop running. They will kill you. Martial law are now handling the situation. Tune into your local station to provide news and updates on this dangerous situation. Thank you for listening to this message. May God bless America, a nation reborn.
Dead end. Not awesome. Okay. Wow, so angry.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boise Police Department. At approximately 12:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, local authorities have spotted an individual destroying planes, killing airport personnel, and innocent civilians. The identity of this individual is unknown at this time. As a precaution, all residents who are heading towards Boise Airport are required to divert their destination immediately. Do not head anywhere near the airport at this time. I repeat, do not head anywhere near the airport at this time. All residents who are near or outside the airport must evacuate immediately. If you see this individual, run for your life and don't stop running. He will kill you. Martial law will now be handling the situation. Tune into your local station to provide news and updates on this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 12:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a Boeing 737-400 jet carrying 92 souls on board has crashed in downtown Boise, causing major devastation in the area. As a result, many innocent civilians on the ground have been killed by the major explosion, including all 92 people on board the plane. fatalities on the ground have yet to be confirmed. In addition, this event may be linked to the attack that was being carried out at Boise Airport early on. Local authorities are unable to find the suspect at this time. As a precaution, all residents are advised to lock all your doors and windows and head to the nearest shelter now. Do not approach the suspect. If you see him, dial 911 immediately. All residents currently on the road right now, keep driving to the nearest shelter now and stay inside. If the suspect breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means. Martial law will now be handling the situation momentarily. Do not make any form of contact with the suspect, or you will risk injury or death. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 1:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, it's been reported that there have been countless of explosions occurring across downtown Boise. This incident had occurred after the incident with the plane that had crashed earlier on. As a result, these explosions have caused major destruction across downtown Boise, killing many innocent civilians, destroying vehicles and buildings in the process. Fatalities have yet to be confirmed. In addition, there have been rumors that these attacks may be linked to the attacks in Montana and linked to a wanted individual named Eric Wilson. It is not confirmed at this time if 23-year-old Eric Wilson is responsible for these attacks. If this is confirmed, then Wilson's supposed last known location was in downtown Boise, going on a rampage, killing everybody he sees. However, local authorities can't neither prove or deny this rumor at this time. In addition, all residents who are listening to this message must take action, seek shelter or take cover now. I repeat, all residents who are listening to this message must take action, seek shelter or take cover now. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that an attack against the United States has been detected, and that protective action should be taken. If you are on the road, divert your course or drive to the nearest shelter now. If you are indoors, stay indoors and lock all doors and windows and take cover now, in case of another explosion occurring. If you see this individual near you or anywhere near your area, run for your life and don't stop running. They will kill you. If you see this individual anywhere else, dial 911 immediately. Please remain inside a shelter or indoors, and do not go outside, or you might be risking your life. Do not approach the suspect. If you approach them, you will be risking fatal injury or death. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. At approximately 2:54 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, local authorities had reported a major drive-by shootout between 400 West and University Boulevard. The current amount of fatalities are approximately 21 civilians and rising. In addition, local authorities have not yet identified the individual involved in this incident. As a precaution, all residents who are listening to this message are advised to stay off the road between 400 West, 400 South, and University Boulevard and to stay inside immediately. If you are on the road already, divert your course immediately and head indoors. If you see anybody with strange behavior, dial 911 immediately. Tune into your local station to provide news and updates on this developing situation.
Sweet Jesus! He's got a rocket launcher! Everybody down! Get down! surrounded! You're done!
Don't make me shoot you! Give yourself up!
Suspect is down! I repeat, suspect is down!
Watch this.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah Division of Emergency Management. It is now safe to leave your homes, as the perpetrator has now been caught. Local authorities have identified the suspect to be a 23-year-old man named Eric Wilson. This man is notorious for causing major attacks in Boise, Idaho, and in the state of Montana. In addition, those who were affected by these awful tragedies will be supported by the National Guard. If you or your loved one are in need of medical assistance, dial 911 immediately. If you see anybody with suspicious behavior, dial 911 immediately. Thank you for listening to this message. May God bless America, a nation reborn.
Another day, another hotel. The inside of it's nice though. Oh well, this is my life, so as I go try and close for the night show, see how far that line goes, still blows my mind. Show business, guess I'll just never forget. So this shit just always feels so weird to this day, because all I ever did was just say the shit I would've wanted to hear other people say to me when I was a kid. So please don't make me some type of hero, cause I will say some more inspirational shit in a real way, but still will have a field day with some of the fucked up shit in the world until it does suck on a dig. Cause I still make fun of a shit, someone's in like a son of a bitch. And another expense, I'm fucking relentless as fuck when it comes to this pen. I struggle with coming to senses, stuck on the fence at the balance beam. If I seem unbalanced, challenging, when my conscience allows me to think the most foulest, childish things without even blinking, without even thinking about all the stinking amounts of people it seems to be reaching, while the crowds are screaming. The palace sold out this evening, but now it's lay me down to sleeping. Is it really my soul to keep, or have I sold it cheap? Is it greed? Do I take more than I need when I joke or leaving, but keep overachieving? Cause what it stole from me, I barely broken even. And I know it's a fine, fine line, living in hope or dying. It's a fine, fine line, living in hope or dying. So I'm notice how I paint myself myself and through my heroin ordeals I'm so vain. I want my respect, but ignore the butterfly effect that comes from my dialect. Till I sit in the dark and I reflect, and my reflection shows what it's like here. Cause this vanity, surrounded by all these lights, yeah, it's like a nightmare. I said this vanity, surrounded by these lights, is a nightmare. And I don't like how I see myself, so I open the Bible to Isaiah. Cause I swear to Christ there are nights where I stay up and might say a prayer twice just to make sure God hears. Cause this ice layer, I skate on's a nice way of putting it, but I like staying feist here. Then I try to see it tops like a dice player. I got a nice pair of dice here, sealed off in my lair. Away from the bullshit, good safe place to sit and talk shit from. And this house is quite big, but it ain't when you can't leave it. And I feel so isolated. Nice I made it, but it's like I paid the price of fame twice. I hate it, so I bitch about my